In this video, you'll learn how to add images to headers in Google Docs. This is a simple trick that can make your documents look more professional, whether you're creating a report, a resume, or a branded template. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own document as you listen. First, open Google Docs. You can either create a brand new document or open an existing one where you want to add the image in the header. If you're working with an existing file, make sure you're in the correct document before moving on. Give it a second to fully load so everything is responsive. This makes editing the header smoother. Once your document is open, you're going to access the header area. Move your mouse to the very top of the page above the main body text. Double-click near the top margin. When you do this, the header section will become active. You'll notice that the rest of the document turns slightly dimmer, and a horizontal line may appear to show you the separation between the header and the main content. This is your signal that you're in the right place to edit the header. With the header activated, look towards the top menu bar of Google Docs. Click on Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps tools for adding different elements to your document like images, tables, charts, and more. When you click Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down menu, move your cursor to Image. Hover over it or click it, and you'll see several options for where you can get your image. Depending on your version, you might see choices like Upload from Computer, Search the Web, Drive, Photos, or even by URL. Choose the option that matches where your image is stored. If your image is saved on your computer, click Upload from Computer. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your folders. Find the image you want to use in your header, click on it once to select it, and then click Open. If your image is stored in Google Drive or Google Photos, select the appropriate option, browse to the image you want, and then click Insert. After you select and insert the image, it will appear directly inside the header area. At this point, you can adjust how it looks. Click on the image to select it, and you'll see small blue squares appear around the edges. You can click and drag these to resize the image so it fits better within the header. If it looks too large and pushes your content down, make it smaller until it feels balanced. You can also adjust the alignment. With the image selected, use the alignment buttons on the toolbar to move it left, center, or right, depending on your layout preference. This is especially helpful if you're placing a logo on one side of the header while leaving space for text on the other. When you're happy with how the image looks in the header, click anywhere in the main body of the document to exit the header editing mode. Now, as you scroll through your document, you'll see that the image appears at the top of each page, giving your document a consistent, polished appearance. That's all you need to do to add images to headers in Google Docs.